Hello guys, my name is Nilesh Nayak. I am data analyst trainee at Trinity. This is Trinity project number 7. In this video, I will be talking about the analysis of impact of car features. The project will be discussed under the following subheads, that is project description, approach, tech stacks used, insights, results, conclusion, and I will be providing the project link. Under the description, we can say that rapid growth of automotive industry with more focus on fuel efficiency, environment sustainability and technology innovation is getting more focus. The increasing trends of electric vehicle and presence of CNG in the market is more competitive, and the competitive market with availability of different model for each car making brands is on the edge. With this, we come to the problem statement. The problem statement is to maximize the profitability while meeting consumer demand by optimizing pricing and product development decision. With this problem statement, we have the objective how to achieve this problem statement. The major goal of this project is to analyze the car feature dataset in order to acquire insight into the behavior of numerous car attributes. This analysis will provide vital information for making informed decisions on car pricing and product development plans, eventually aiming to obtain a competitive advantage in the market. Now, after the project description, we come to the part of data description. Data that we are using is provided by the client is on Kaggle by Cooper Union, a private college located in New York City. In this data set, we have 11,159 observations and 16 features. The features are given in the list, that brand name, brand model name, year in which it was released, the engine fuel type, engine HP, engine cylinders, transmission type, driven wheels, number of doors, market category, vehicle size, vehicle style, highway miles per gallon, that is the mileage, city mileage, popularity of the car, and the MSRP, the manufacturer suggested retail price. The approach I have taken in this project is first defined the objective, then collected the data, then after collecting the data I have handled the missing value, after missing value performed EDA, then feature analysis, then product development insights, then data visualization I have performed in Excel sheet itself, and report generation. The tech stack used is Microsoft Excel 2021 on Windows 10 machine. There are several benefits of using Excel 21, that is the newer version and new features and function is available, enhanced data analysis capability is there, improved collaboration with different different devices, better integrations with different product like SharePoint, Power BI and OneDrive, performance improvement, enhanced security, capability, mobile and cloud integration, and some bug fixes and stability of user integration enhancement. The insights while performing EDA on the data is that in the market category there are 1103 models in the crossover category and 3728 models have no category mentioned, but the popular category is crossover, flex fuel and hatchback models. The second insight I can say is the car price increases for higher engine power. Like if the engine power is having more HP, it is having more price. The number of cylinders and engine power of a car is important to determine price. Now, Bugatti is the costliest manufacturer. Highway mileage decreases with the increase in number of cylinder. Now, coming to the task that has been given to perform on. The first task was to create a pivot table that shows the number of car model in each market category and their corresponding popularity score, and accordingly we have to show the combo chart. Let me go to the Excel sheet. There I will describe. Here this is the our data, that after this data is after handling missing value, and after that the data is having 11,013 rows and 16 columns. Then I converted it into a table. Then coming to the first task, this is the pivot table that I have generated. In the pivot table, if we go to the field list here, in the row it is the market category, and in the column it is the value, and in the values column the count of model and average of popularity, it is here showing. Now coming to the graph section, we can see that the crossover, flex fuel and hatchback category has the more number of models, and the popularity level according to the model count is quite good. Now coming to the second task, create a scatter chart that plots engine power on the x-axis and price on y-axis. Add a trend line to the chart to visualize the relationship between these variables. Here in this chart we have created on the x-axis this is engine power, and on the y-axis it is the price. We can see that this area, this circular area, black circle area is the outlier, and our more focus is on this area, that blue circle area, that the engine power varies from 400 HP to 600 HP, and the price is also quite affordable in this area, and this area is the optimized profit area, because if we go for the higher engine power, that many of the customer may not afford to buy this, so the problem of the scalability in the market size is there. Coming to the third task. In the third task, it is the regression analysis. In this, if I go to the Excel sheet, here we have performed the regression analysis through this data analysis option. Here we have regression analysis. Here we can perform using the regression analysis, and using that regression analysis we got for these 6 car features the regression coefficient and regression intercept. Here we can see that after visualizing through the bar chart, we can see that engine cylinder is more strong relationship with the car price, and number of doors is negatively related with the car price. Coming to the next, here we need to create in the task 4, we need to create the pivot table to show the average price of car for each manufacturer, and that I have visualized through the column chart. In this column chart, I can see that the Bugatti is having highest average price, and Maybach also is following Bugatti. Coming to the insights, task 5, we need to create a scatter chart by following the number of cylinder on x-axis and the highway MPG on the y-axis. Here, after visualizing this chart, what we can see, the trend line is downward, and here it is the outlier because number of cylinder is 4 and the mileage provided by the car is around 350. That is definitely outlier. But we can see that another thing, that number of cylinder is 0, but it is providing the mileage of 75 to 125. miles per gallon. That is not possible. So these are the typo error or the incorrect entry in the data. Coming to this Excel sheet, I have used the correl function here to determine the correlation between the price and the between the engine power and the highway mileage. This correlation is negative. So if the number of cylinders increases, the mileage will definitely decrease. That is the true. Now coming to the dashboard task, we have created the dashboard for all the 5 tasks. That how first task in the dashboard is how does the distribution of car price vary by brand and body style. So here all the brands in the x-axis and the car price, and the stacks is used as here the car model. Coming to the second task of dashboard, that which car brands have the highest and lowest average MSRP. See, the Maybach and Bugatti has the highest average MSRP, and the column group chart is showing the body style. Coming to the third task, it is the scatter chart, that is the between the transmission type and MSRP. Here, this on the price distribution. Coming to the fourth task, that fuel efficiency of car across different body style and model year. That in the x-axis the timeline is showing the in the year, and the transmission type here, and the line in the line it is showing the car model. Coming to the task number 5, we have to create in this task a bubble chart. In this bubble chart, we have to show that how engine HP distributed over the MSRP for all brand and vehicle style. And CT, the same task is to be done for CTMPG. Here in the Excel sheet, I will show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard. In the task, I have implemented the dashboard, and this slicer also added. This slicer is working for all the chart here. This is the dashboard. This is whole dashboard. Here I will show you the working of this. Suppose I am going to call for Bugatti. See, for Bugatti we have the price distribution and average price distribution too. And in the Bugatti category only one style is there, that is coupe. Suppose if I go for the Audi, in the Audi there is different style, body style, vehicle style, and this is showing, and this is same for that in which year the particular model has been released. So, the same thing I am showing for Dodge. In Dodge, if I go for 4D SUV, 4-door SUV, and we can go for sedan also. Similarly, I have to go for, suppose I go for Honda. It is working for Honda category also. Here also in the Honda there are different car models, that 4-door hatchback. Suppose if I select the 4-door hatchback, it is showing that the average price distribution and the timeline also, that how the average MPG for each vehicle, each model, here it is showing. So I can show you that this is working fine, this dashboard. Here the same bubble chart I can show. This is the little dashboard I have developed through the data according to the task given. Now coming to the conclusion. Based on the popularity, more focus should be on crossover, flex fuel and hatchback category. To follow the profitability, we need to follow the engine HP between 400 to 600, and it has the lower cost of production and high price in market. Engine power and number of cylinder is vital for price determination. So we need to give more focus on engine power and number of cylinders in the car. We need to understand the pricing model and customer acquisition model from Bugatti and Maybach, as these two brand is having highest average price of the car. Car should be designed with 3 to 6 door, as it can help in more customer acquisition. During this project, I have learned more advanced concept of MS Excel like pivot table, chart visualization, data storytelling and dashboard skills. I have provided the presentation file link and analysis file link in this PPT. So this is all. Thank you. If you need any doubt clarification, you can ask me in my email that has been provided on the first slide. Thank you.